Check it out, guys. We got a 2018 Chevy Silverado, 5.3 liter. And this is what it sounds like before. In this beautiful 100-degree weather. That's what it sounds like before, guys. You guys can see it's very quiet. Way too quiet. Again. Here's sound decibels. Right at 85. Again. All right, stay tuned. We're gonna make it loud. Let me show you what it looks like before we do anything to it. It's got a factory converter there, another factory converter there. Then it wires into a single there, and then a dreaded third cat goes right here. Then the flex pipe, then intermediate pipe 2.5, stock muffler with valve. Always get that valve taken off if you're gonna modify it, because it will rattle. Tailpipe, stock resonator out the back, you guys can see. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it right here where it wires into a single, as you guys can see. So we're gonna cut it right here, and we're gonna run true duals. And in order to run true duals, we have to replace this regular third cat with 2 high flows. So here's the part number on the high flows. He brought his own Flowmaster catalytic converters. There's the part number. This is what they look like on the inside, if you guys wonder. And look, you can see how high flow they are. You can see right through them. So they are truly high flow. We're gonna put 2 of them. There's the other one right here. Oh, you can see it real good right there. But he brought them 3-inch, so we're gonna have to put adapters on them, as you guys can see right there, from 3 to 2.5. Here's the part number on the adapters. We supply the adapters. It's just easier and looks cleaner. From 3-inch to 2.25. That's what they look like, 2 of them. So we always get those and install them on there. Gives it a cleaner look. And then we are allowed to put 2.25 all the way back where the muffler goes. We're gonna put 2 Flowmaster FX series right there, 71419. They are 3-inch also. We're gonna swap them out for 2.5 or 2.25. And then 2 tailpipes out the back on each side. They're gonna come out straight out the back into 2 black rolled 5-inch tips. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys see it after we're done with it. All right, guys, 2018 Chevy Silverado, 5.3 liter Z71, sexy blue. There's the original high flow cat, the original third cat and wide pipe that was on it. Right there. So we deleted that. I'll show you the rest of it. Factory converter there, factory converter there. That's where we deleted the white pipe that you guys see right there and crossed it over. Then we installed 2 Flowmaster high flow cats. There's the part number. There will be a link in the description for it. Then 2.5-inch pipe continues. Then we installed 2 Flowmaster Flow FXs, part number 71419. There'll be a link in the description for them too. Then 2.5-inch pipe out the back on each side, tailpipes and all, as you guys can see, right there, right there. And then finished it off with some 5-inch by 18 black roll tips. Part number is right there. There'll be a link in the description for them too, if we can find them. There you guys go. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see. And we appreciate his service. He's a retired U.S. Army. There's the factory muffler that was on it, factory intermediate pipe, and factory tailpipe with resonator right there. So we took all that off. And then we got Scott chilling there. Get him in the camera. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. Nice idle. Idle is 72, 77, 78. Give it gas. Wow. Oh, she likes sounding like a beast. We're gonna do her truck next. What do you guys think we should do on her truck? Let us know in the comments. Go ahead. It hit 114 earlier. That sounds so good. Say that again? Purrs. Does it just purr, guys? Look. It's a good looking truck too, guys. Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson pipe. That's a picture of our beautiful shop. It sounds really nice. I like it. I like his license plate too. Let you guys hear it on the inside. That's what it sounds like before, guys. You guys can see it's very quiet. Way too quiet. Again? Hear sound decibels? Right at 85. Again? All right, stay tuned. We're gonna make it loud. That's what we like to see. That's clean. Just a nice clean tone. Nice idle. Idle is 72, 77, 78. Give it gas. Wow. Oh, she likes sounding like a beast. We're gonna do her truck next. What do you guys think we should do on her truck? Let us know in the comments. Go ahead. 112. It hit 114 earlier. That sounds so good. Say that again? Purrs. Does it just purr, guys? Look. Silverado True Duals with Flow FX, high flow Flowmaster cats. 2.5-inch pipe all the way back to some sexy 5-inch black roll tips to finish the look. Sounds good. And then we got Scott's truck just sitting here. Got a sexy fat tip on it. Like nobody's business. What do you think of your tip? What are you trying to compensate
Just
for?
right.
Is it just right?
Everything. Compensate for everything.
All right. Good. That's what we like to hear.